In Ghana's parliament on Wednesday, some of our lawmakers briefly turned into contestants of the National Science and Maths Quiz. But how did all of this start?
Government wants to spend 1.2 billion United States dollars to purchase presidential debts. To purchase presidential debts. 1.2 billion Ghana cedis to purchase presidential debt. Mr. Speaker, I'm talking about 1.2 billion United States dollars to purchase presidential debt.
The claim of the Damango MP, Samuel Abojinapo, was that this government had made some $1.2 billion allocation for the purchase of a new presidential jet. But the majority leader stopped him in his tracks and even went further to question the basic school he attended because it appeared his math wasn't mathing.
Nowhere in this budget is $1.2 billion allocated for the purchase of a presidential jet. $1.2 billion. How much is Air Force One? I cannot imagine which primary school you went, where you were taught that if you convert 2 billion into dollars, you get 1 billion. I don't know which primary school you went to.
But the former lands minister didn't take that lightly.
Mr. Speaker, I attended my basic school in Fufunso Preparatory Primary School in the Savannah region. Mr. Speaker, when I was in primary school, I sat on the floor and I was in a modest primary school. I know that the majority leader, having attended school in Boko, proceeded to school in Harvard. Mr. Speaker, with the greatest of respect to you, may I humbly, very humbly and kindly plead with my senior brother, the majority leader, to please kindly do the needful by withdrawing and apologizing to my modest, humble self and the thousands of Ghanaians for this insult before I proceed.
I was surprised because I know the school is very good and I know you had a good maths teacher. So it is obvious that it is not the school. It is not the school. The school is good. The maths teacher was good. The teachers are good. But how you get $1.2 billion from 2 billion Ghana cedis still baffles me. But Mr. Speaker, if he feels offended, I, who went to Boku in a primary school, was taught to apologize and withdraw. So I apologize and I withdraw.
Anyway, back to the substantive matter. Realizing his figures were off, the Damango MP called for backup and assembled what you might call his mental maths squad to recalculate the proposed cost of the aircrafts. As the saying goes, a concentrated mind is never disturbed. But Charlie, this one day.
Now,
Now, the speaker would have none of that, by the way, despite all the calculative efforts from members of the minority.
Does retooling amount to purchase of presidential jets?
Then came the bonus round, Kenkenomics.
Mr. Speaker, Kenke. Kenke, which used to be 5 cities, is now 7 cities.
Well, maybe because he buys his kinky from East Legon or Airport Hills.
Mr. Speaker, is he citing Kempinski hotel prices? Is it Kempinski hotel prices or Makola prices?
Let's wrap things up with some spiritual guidance, shall we?
No Bible quotation was read. But in view of this, I want to give my colleagues one Bible quotation. They should go to Psalm 145 or First Chronicle 1634. Listen to the wisdom. The Lord is good to all, and his tender mercy are all over President Mahama and the finance minister.
Amen to that. My name is Tutuwaa Danso, and I'm reporting from the hallowed House of Parliament for GH1 TV and Star FM.